Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Coming by Sydney, I've got this Porsche Cayenne 4.8 litre V8. This is a Cayenne S, obviously, on this car here. Today I have removed the front headlight on the left hand side. To remove the headlight, you gotta have a special tool. It's in your toolkit at the back, and it says here, right there, if you go to your left, it'll be unlocked. If you go to your right, you'll be locked. So always go to the left until you hit the click, and then once you turn it, all you're doing is, this is lock, that's the lock, that's unlock. Just come down like that. Anyway, okay, once you get the headlight, you gotta unplug it. Unplug the headlight by just pushing down on that little tab there, little tab, and then pull it out. Alright, so once you finish taking the headlight out, which obviously put it somewhere safe, otherwise it will fall, it's very expensive. On this one, if you come across here, this one here is called a D1S. Alright, so the light, it's a high voltage light globe, because it's got a power pack here that steps up the voltage. So don't power this one up in the car or touch it. Make sure you unplug it first for safety reason. Anyway, so first thing you do, you unplug it. So the little clip there is a spring clip. That's your spring clip lock. So press it in and then just pull down on that globe there like that. It's pretty hard to do one hand, but I can do it. See here, there's your lock there. See, the little thing locks in, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Make sure you do that, otherwise you'll damage the actual plug. Anyway, just put it at the bottom, or you can take it out and just leave it outside here like that, like me. Next thing you do, you turn this part here clockwise. Alright, turn it clockwise, meaning turn to your left, just like that. Grab it like this and then go just like that. And once you see that like that, that angle is loose, take it out. But once you take it out, you got this plastic ring here. The plastic ring is really sometimes you think people try to actually take it out. So today I'm going to show you how to take this plastic ring off. Alright, it's very important. So if you look at it from the top, there's two locks, two little locks. So you're very locking pin in the actual here. There's one there, and there's one there. Alright, to take this out, I want to do it with one hand. Usually easier with two hands. You got to push that down and then split it. So out, down, and then push that one forward. It's very hard. I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm gonna press pause now. I'll pause it and I'll show you later. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm taking it out already, but just sitting there so you know what I mean. So press it down, press that down, unclip, and then take it out like that. See? Take it out. Take it all out like that, and then same thing here. Just take it off. There. Alright. So make sure you don't break this, because that's the most important part of the whole job. So when you put the new one in, make sure you put those two little lugs there. One small one, one big one. Lines up, one small one and one big one. Alright, I'll show you on the new one. Alright. See the little lugs there? That's in there. That's part of the light. Plastic housing, that one and that one. So push that little clip in. See the little cover? Push it in so the lugs go in. Go to it slowly, just like that. Once you get that part in, just make sure you don't touch the globe. And then you just swing the other one out, around, and there's your lock up on the top. So you just press it together from here, and you hear it click, just like that. And now you're ready to put that in the actual headlight. So you have to go in on an angle like before. Just make sure you don't break that part there, the headlight of the lens, sorry, of the globe. It's very important. So make sure you put it in the middle and then go in very slowly like that. Have to be on an angle, see, like that. And you can feel it go in like that, and then just spin it. It's really hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to press pause. There you go. Just swing it until it's actually straight up like that, and the plug at the bottom there. that means you're in. Just make sure you try to pull it out. Pretty much good anyway. And the next one, the lights, the wire goes on top like that, and then swings up around and goes in the bottom. So the bottom one just goes like this. Sorry, can't really show you because no room, and plus trying to film at the same time is hard. So once you get in that spot there, all you gotta do is push it up like that, and that's a lock. Yeah, and pretty much you're ready to put it in. Put the light back in and then check it. All right, give me 2 seconds. Okay, now the light's back on here. So this lights a bit more. These ones are a bit more expensive. They're more expensive. These ones, they're not like a normal globe. They are expensive. I'm not sure how much people charge, but they range from I think Porsche charged about $700 for one of these, or 600. I'm not sure, but they are expensive. Obviously, we don't use this Porsche light one. We get the OEM one and put it in. Same thing. Be much cheaper. Okay, let's try turning it back on. Okay, there you go. That one's on, and that one's on. Right, but this is the one that didn't go on properly. So this is the one the actual globe was blown. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.